Hey guys, it's your boy Adam Solar trying to be like Jesse Driftwood with an intro to tell you about the new One Wheels. XRs have been out for a while. It's the best EV out there out of all the toys we got here. Love this thing. Just got our first shipment of PINTS after waiting since April. We're really excited. I have not even tested, tried one. We took it out of the box. You're going to be here with us for our first real initial impression. Definitely smaller, definitely lighter, definitely cool carrying it like this. I'm really excited to try it, so if you want, follow us out front and we'll show you what it's about. Helmet. First, PINT. Hit the button. Doing some colors on there, telling us something. Ah, I'm one wheeling on a PINT. Woohoo! Oh yeah, it's definitely not your mother's XR. This thing's a little different. Simple stop. Simple stop out of the box. So that's one of the new technologies they have where you can't go in reverse, I guess, till we get in the app. So I thought I was going to go fakie. Was not the case. I like the feel of it. Look at all the leaves. Try a little bit of gravel. Man, I might be a PINT rider nowadays, dude. Woo! Yeah, first thing I'm gonna do is turn off simple stop. That was sketchy. I like to be able to go fakie at my leisure. That was pushback. There's our boy Max cutting the grass. So everybody wants, do you have them for sale? Yes, but they're all on back order. All the first batch is sold. We got tons of them on order. As they come in, but we will keep this as our shop demo board, so you're more than welcome to come in and ride it. Oh man, simple stop. I don't like it. There's the showroom, and then shop's a bit of a mess. We cleaned it up to do our little presentation here. But oh man, this thing is so maneuverable. Wow. I mean, this is not the same board as your XR. You know, by comparison, let's grab an XR and do it. Here's our shop demo XR. Yeah, big comparison. I like that handle. But, I mean, the XR is just a tank. And the range thing, I think you're going to get sick of PINTS running out of range. But man, the fit and finish, everything about this guy. It's cool. I mean, I got some young kids. They're going to start riding the PINT. I'll be on the XR. Or who knows, man. I might just have a whole little fleet of PINTS for everybody to play on. All right, well, we'll see you guys in the shop soon. Got every color fender. We got all the fender colors coming for the PINT as well. Helmets and a bunch of e-bikes and stuff to get you when you guys get here. Also got e-boards if you want to try. See you soon.